Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with you with an amazing video that how to write a single name on your Facebook account. If you want to write a single name on your Facebook profile, then follow my steps to do this. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. You have to search VPN LAT. Please install this specific VPN to do this. I have already installed this. Now go back. Open that specific VPN. Allow all notifications, accept. From here you have to select the country Indonesia. Please only select Indonesia. Wait for a while. From here you have to select Jakarta, ID2. Skip the ad. Now tap to connect. So after connecting the VPN, go back, open your Facebook. Now click on upper three strips. Now you have to click on settings. From here you have to click on personal details. Click on profile. Click on username. Here you have to write your single name. Choose your desired name and click on done. After doing this, your name will be right in a single form. Thank you for watching this. If you like the video, share with your friends.